How to create spin transition in Premiere Pro. So I have of the two videos on a timeline. First thing we need is the adjustment layer. Then drag and drop it to the timeline. And we need to duplicate this adjustment. Then open a effects controls and search for replicate effect and add it to the first adjustment layer. Then go to the effect control set, count to 3, then search for mirror and add mirror effect to the first just layer for 4 times. So first, the mirror effect image, set your reflection angle to 90 degrees. And here, I'm going to speed this up and show you the values at the end. And here, you can see all of the values. Now we're going to search for transform in effects and presets added to the second adjustment layer, the one that's on top. And here, set the scale to 300. Then I'm going to move 10 frames to the left. Then create a keyframe for rotation. Go back to the point of the cut. Then move 10 frames to the right of it. And then set the rotation to 360. And now let's uncheck the use composition shutter angle. And I'm going to set the shutter angle to 180. I'm going to expand this to the bottom to see more of the graph now dragging. So like the keyframes. So while they are blue and highlighted, right? Click any of them, select ease in, then right-click again, ease out. And now we need to drag these blue handles inward to get a smoother animation. So something like this, and select the adjustment layers and move those in. Then go to this point where the animation ends and trim the adjustment, these down. Follow for more video tips.